If you wanna do right, home days, woman.
Welcome back to the Mortgage Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie lending team. So we're going to talk about initial jobless claims. We get these numbers once a week. So filing for the first time, these numbers were hoping to be about 780,000. It's up to almost a million at 965,000. 181,000 people above what their expectations were going to be. Let's keep in mind, before COVID, these numbers were at about 200,000 a week, and we're 5 times that amount right now of people that are just trying to survive, right? So continuing claims, also not great, up about 200,000 from where we were last week, up to bringing us about 5.3 million of people who are continuously staying on that system. When we look at the pandemic unemployment assistance claims and the emergency claims, both of these numbers have improved. The pandemic unemployment assistance down about 1 million, emergency claims down about 325,000. However, these are really from expiring claims, and we're hoping for better numbers than this, and it may take a little while longer. Biden is going to be talking today about his stimulus package. We're hoping that improves our markets in some ways as well, but at least improves expectations, and we'll see where we go from here. We get a Kipling report today talking about 401ks and about how households are withdrawing money from them just to survive the pandemic. So 27% of households have borrowed from their 401k, and 31% have withdrawn just completely, taking the penalty and whatever comes along with that. So more than 80% of people, or 80% of households, have withdrawn over $25,000. A third of them have taken out over $75,000. So the median income on the folks that are withdrawing this money is $119,000 per year. So they may not be receiving a stimulus, and that might be why they're having to withdraw some money out of their retirement. But the average age of these folks is 51. So we're assuming that many of these people are employed, in which their 401k, borrowing 401k money from their retirement is not going to be the best strategy for a long-term tactic. What many of these folks should be doing is taking the equity out of their homes and doing a cash out refinance, which we can do super easily, because remember, we're in an up market and the money doesn't really exist until they actually take it out of the house or sell the house. So we're hoping that they don't have to get into a position where they have to sell the house due to a financial hardship, but it's a heck of a lot better than just simply withdrawing money out of the 401k and taking the penalty on top of it. I don't want this to sound like it's all doom and gloom, but these are realities that people are dealing with right now. And remember, we have some solutions that can help them. They can do a cash out refinance. Remember, if you've been looking at the market the last year or two, there are some senior citizens that have not downgraded out of their single family homes and not gone to a townhouse or a condo. Maybe it's time, maybe it's just time for them to not have to pay their tax bill, which is coming due very soon if they haven't already paid it. And maybe it's time for them to move on to the next property. Remember, days on the market are low, and if you were to list their property at a realistic price, chances are it's probably going to sell. So there are a ton of resources that we can offer to the public to just let them know, look, you're not alone. And even though you have these challenges, we can help. So we are hiring here at Union Home Mortgage for loan originators who have an existing business and a pipeline. If you know anybody you think would be a great fit, we would love to have a conversation with them. Please just text me over their info, and Lily and I will reach out to them. If you have a buyer that wants to get approved, please text over their contact info to me or to Lily. We'll get them approved today. And all of our videos are backed up on YouTube. Just type in my name. Check us out on Instagram.